Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning as we're sitting here now on the 15th of December, halfway through the month 2023, 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Now, before I go into what the markets are doing and all that type of neat stuff, I have to remind you, I have put out a special report, and this one is on the dollar index. It's very important. I will cover with it all the seasonals, the 15, the 30, and the 5-year seasonals. Price counts will be in here. I will walk you through the weekly charts, the daily charts, give you an idea where you're looking, and I can tell you the rally you're starting to get in the dollar fits into the report, but it's a rally to do something off of, and we'll talk about that as time goes on here. How do you get it? You can go to our website, by the way, at iraepstein.com. You can move your clicker up here. That's another way. The report is in the research area. So when you get to iraepstein.com, look on the top right, you'll see research, give it a click, and there it is. I have sent emails out to everybody about it. It goes off our website on Monday. So you're getting the weekend to view it with today. Monday, I can't tell you what time, but it's due to come off, and I don't know the exact time. The computer sets that up for us. If you have questions, you can always call my staff, and they can help you. All right. So we've had a heck of a rally. We've had a heck of a week, and I'll tell you, I'm exhausted from it. But the market got over the Bollinger Band, and you've had some of these indices up 4 or 5 days in a row. Be careful. Profit taking on a Friday, going into a holiday week. Next week, remember, is the last full week before we're into the Christmas and New Year's events. So you've got to start trading according to what that offers. You look at markets that have had these big run-ups. What do they mean in them? That's going to be important. The dollar got beaten up pretty good, finally getting a bounce, and most of the currencies backing off right here, and I would expect that after yesterday's report. In fact, I don't understand in Europe why the market even wanted to rally against the dollar on that, but I do think there'll be an interesting play in the dollar. Notes and bonds very much in the sideways mode. If you watched Gary Gensler yesterday, he was on CNBC talking about and questioned about when he's going to allow crypto ETFs. The committees are looking at it. He's cornered. And the cornering is they either come up with some legal maneuver, and I don't think that there is one, or come January 10th, we probably get our ETFs on the spot markets. He called it cowboy land, and boy, is he right. It is. It needs more regulation. I don't know that his hands aren't tied, and he can't do too much about it. Now, when we take a look at the day's data, we've got the New York Empire State numbers. These are a disaster. Nothing short of the word a disaster. Let's start here. Manufacturing index. They expected it up. It was down 14.5. The employment index crashed down here, double what it was last time. New orders index caving in. These are the right terms. The prices received went up a little bit, but the paid index, well, it's still up, but not at the pace it had been. And then we look at inventories. This is good, at least. They're declining. And shipments index, that's a problem for me. They're declining, but they're not shipping more stuff out. So it's an ugly report. I don't care how you want to cut it. The Federal Reserve will come out in about now. I'm doing the video, so I can't see it, with the production and capacity utilization. And later on this morning at 8:45, we're going to get the U.S. preliminary, and the word is prelim, the December manufacturing and service sector PMIs. Those will be important. But I think the market is worn out. I think the market is saying to you, I've done my thing. Be careful. Some traders will leave for the holidays this weekend, next Monday. I have friends already leaving town on Sunday, and they won't be back to the first of the year. So you're at that point where people are taking off for the holiday. Not a lot, but you're at that. In the grain market, still looks to me like there's some weakness in this as we're looking at things, and that's pretty much where I'm at. So I'm Ira Epstein. Again, be certain that you take advantage and look at this important special currency report. It's my last report of 2023. I'm back to work on my charting course, complete revamp of the full charting course. I was hoping to have it for Christmas. Doesn't look like that. There's just too much to get done, but it'll be January, so not bad. I don't want to rush it. I want it to be good. It's not a race. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a good day. I'll try to catch you at the end of the day with our weekend review of how the weekly charts, after all this action, looks. Look for me then, and I'll look for you. You have a great trading day. Oh.